Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. Let us read the next exercise, quick scroll. Children, in this exercise, some important points are given. We have already discussed about all these points and terms in the throughout the lesson. Okay, so let's have a quick scroll of this lesson, light, sound and force. Let us read. We can see objects when light falls on them. Children, we can see things when light falls on them. Okay, lights जब objects के ऊपर गिरता हो तभी उस objects को देख सकते हैं. Luminous objects give light, but non-luminous objects do not give out light. Some examples of luminous objects are sun, torch, candle. Non-luminous objects, pen, pencil, chair. Next, when the path of light is blocked by an object, its shadow is formed. लाइट का पाथ लाइट का रास्ता कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट ब्लॉक कर देता हो तभी शैडो फॉर्म होती है. नेक्स्ट, एक्लिप्सेस आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन द मून और द अर्थ ब्लॉक्स द सनलाइट. एक्लिप्सेस तब बनते हैं जब मून या अर्थ सनलाइट को ब्लॉक कर देता हो तभी एक्लिप्सेस बनते हैं. हियर एक्लिप्सेस मीन्स ग्रहण. सम साउंड्स आर प्लेजेंट, सम आर नॉट. ओके, व्हाट आर प्लेजेंट साउंड्स? लाइक light, music, chirping of birds. Okay, next, a push or pull is called force. Next, let us read keywords. Luminous objects, things which give out light, are called luminous objects. Eclipse means shadow of the earth or earth on moon or moon on the earth. Next, noise. What is noise? Unpleasant sounds are called noise. Force means a push or a pull is called force. It moves the object. Okay, next, come to the practimum zone. Children, we have already discussed and completed the writing part of practimum zone in Saturday's class. Okay, I have explained each and every term from this exercise, and some students, they have performed how the lunar eclipse occurs and solar eclipse occurs. Okay, very nicely they have taken different roles of sun, moon and earth, and they performed very well. Okay, so let us complete the practicum zone one now. Tick the correct option. The main source of light on earth is sun. Okay, a push or pull is called a force. Friction dash the movements. Friction slows down the movements. Next, fill in the blanks. Shadow is formed on the dash side of the light, opposite side of the light. For example, here sun is there. Okay, opposite side, if a tree plant is there, plant का shadow इसका opposite side में यहाँ बनती है. Understand, children? This is shadow. Okay, next, the dash revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Earth sun के चारों ओर घूमते रहती है. Next, dash pollution can damage our ears. Which pollution can damage our ears? Noise pollution, unpleasant sounds. Dash can change the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. Okay. Next, answer the following. What are luminous objects? Children, things which give out light are called luminous objects. Example, sun, torch. What are non-luminous objects? The things which do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. For example, pencil, pen, chair. And how is shadow formed? The answer is, if anything comes in the way of light, then its shadow is formed. I have shown here. And what is lunar eclipse? How is it formed? What is lunar eclipse? The shadow of the earth on the moon is known as lunar eclipse. Understand? It occurs when the earth blocks the light of the sun. Next, what is solar eclipse? How is it formed? Shadow of the moon on the earth is known as solar eclipse. It occurs when the moon blocks the light of the sun. Understand, children? And come to define the following. What is eclipse? What is eclipse? Shadow of the earth on the moon or moon on the earth is known as eclipse. Understand, children? And noise. What is noise? Loud and unpleasant sounds are called noise. Force. A push or pull is called force. Okay, a force can move an object or stop a moving object, and also can change the shape of an object. Practically, I have shown अबाउट फोर्स. ओके, स्टूडेंट्स बहुत अच्छे से फोर्स के बारे में परफॉर्म किए थे क्लास में. एंड फ्रिक्शन, व्हाट इज फ्रिक्शन? When an object moves, otherwise here it is in a simple language, it is there given. Look at this. When an object move on the other object, a special type of force develops between them. This force is called friction. Okay, friction slows down the movements. For example, your two palms, इसको ऐसे ऐसे रब करेंगे तो क्या होता है? आपका palm है ना, दोनों हाथ वार्म हो जाते हैं, मतलब गर्म हो जाते हैं. That is, it means it producing energy. Okay, warm. Okay, this is called friction. Okay, and next, science zone. Come to the science zone. Group discussion. Moon is non-luminous object, but still it appears bright. Discuss the reason for this. Children, moon appears bright when the sun falls on it. Actually, moon cannot produce its own light. Okay, only moon appears bright when the sunlight falls on it. जब sunlight moon के ऊपर गिरता हो तभी moon चमकता है. Then brain quest. Why do sports shoes have soles made of rough leather? Sports shoes का soles मतलब bottom part rough leather से क्यों बनाए रहता है? Children, sports shoes have soles made of rough leather so that it does not टीयर ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन. स्पोर्ट्स शूज पहने का तो कूदते हैं, खेलते हैं. ओके, कभी कभी रफ सरफेसेस के ऊपर दौड़ते हैं, उस समय ये हार्ड रफ सोल का वजह से, रफ लेदर का वजह से, फ्रिक्शन का वजह से ये रफ लेदर है ना, फटती नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट विल बी द कलर ऑफ योर शैडो इफ यू आर वेयरिंग रेड क्लोथ्स? कलर ऑफ क्लॉथ हैज नो इफेक्ट ऑन द कलर ऑफ शैडो. ओके, कलर ऑफ शैडो विल ऑलवेज बी ब्लैक. चिल्ड्रन, कोई भी कपड़े पहनेंगे, ओके, कैसे भी कपड़े पहनेंगे, व्हाइट हो, ब्लैक हो, रेड हो, आपका शैडो ब्लैक कलर का ही बनती है. ओके, इट मीन्स कलर ऑफ क्लॉथ हैज नो इफेक्ट ऑन द कलर ऑफ शैडो. ओके, नेक्स्ट, एक्सप्लोर योर वर्ल्ड. Look around yourself and find out names of 4 luminous and non-luminous objects. Write the names in the given spaces. So many times we have discussed. Some luminous objects are like, we can see that, sun, torch, candles, earthen lamps. Okay, and non-luminous objects are like table, chair, water bottle, bag. All these are non-luminous. In luminous objects, you can write some more like mobile screen, LED lamp. All these are luminous. Okay. And do it yourself. Go to the ground thrice. Thrice means 3 times a day and stand for a minute in the sun. Once in the morning at 8 a.m., then at the same spot at 12 noon, and then again at 5 p.m. Mark the position and length of shadow at all the 3 times. What do you find? Children, for example, आपके घर के सामने ओपन स्पेस है तो वहां जाके मॉर्निंग 8 a.m. को खड़े रहेंगे, आफ्टरनून 12 o'clock को खड़े रहेंगे उसी प्लेस में, जिस स्पॉट में मॉर्निंग खड़े हुए थे उसी स्पॉट में खड़े रहेंगे, एंड इवनिंग 5 p.m. को शाम को खड़े रहेंगे. एंड यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व योर पोजिशन ऑफ द शैडो एंड लेंथ ऑफ द शैडो. ओके, सेम ऐसा ही एक एक्टिविटी लेसन स्टार्टिंग में आप लोग को बता चुकी हूँ करने के लिए. एक पेपर में वो शैडोज को ऑब्जर्व करके शैडो को लेंथ आप लोग लिख के ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. ओके, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू, टोल्ड यू दैट afternoon shadows are shorter than morning and evening shadows. So children, do it yourself. Okay, and this is all about lesson 11, light for sound and force. Okay, thank you.